Hello guys, welcome back to day 5 of our 30 days React 0 to Hero series. And today we will be discussing most amazing concept of our React, that is JSX syntax. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, this is a normal function, and inside that we are returning a HTML code. So how is that possible? This is because of JSX actually. So we are able to write HTML code inside a JavaScript code. So let me show it to you. In order to write JavaScript code inside HTML code, we must wrap that JavaScript code in curly braces. So I am opening the curly braces here, and inside that I am writing a check functionality. So here I have declared one variable, that is a temp variable, and I have initialized it for true. So I am checking if temp variable is equal to true, then here I am showing currently Dev-Rushi else dev, like this. So as you can see, Dev-Rushi is printed because currently temp variable is true. Let's change it to false. Now we can see dev is printed because temp variable is false. So this is our JavaScript code actually, and JSX has lots of power more than this. Inside the HTML we can write JavaScript also, and inside that JavaScript we can write again HTML also. So let us say we want to write HTML code inside this JavaScript code. So to do that, we must wrap our HTML code in the round braces. Always remember, like whenever you want to write JavaScript code, it must be wrapped by curly braces, and whenever you want to write HTML code, it must be wrapped by round braces. So I am opening a round braces here, and let's say I am taking a div. Inside this I will be taking, let us say, h3. Dev-Rushi, and I am copying the same code for dev as well. And also, as here also I am writing HTML code, I will be putting it into the round braces. I will change this and save it. So as you can see, the temp variable is false, so Rushi is getting printed. And let's say if we make it to true, then Dev-Rushi is getting printed. So always remember, HTML code must be wrapped in round braces like this, and JavaScript code must be wrapped in curly braces like this. JavaScript, curly braces, HTML, round braces, JavaScript, curly braces, HTML, round braces. I hope you must have learned something new today. And that's it for today guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.